And my question is that you said that you had to go a rigorous strength training for this role. So I want to ask you, can you please elaborate? Was there any specific diet plan or any workout regimen that you have to follow? And and how did you, make time for skincare routine, and how did you maintain that radiant glow despite that intense schedule?
I wasn't very radiant or glowing very much when I was shooting this film. So मैंने जब ये फिल्म की शूट शुरू की थी, प्रेपरेशन जब शुरू की थी, मैं उस वक्त आई थिंक गुड लक टेरी को प्रमोट कर रही थी, बवाल शूट कर रही थी, या नहीं मिली के आसपास के टाइम का था, एंड आई वाज अबाउट 8-9 kilos heavier, and Sharan was very stressed because he kept saying you don't look like a cricketer, and if you really want to do this film you need to start losing weight, you need to start training in cricket. तो मेरा डेली रूटीन ऐसे ही था. एट द पीक ऑफ माई ट्रेनिंग मेरे जो कोच थे अभिषेक नायर, वो कह रहे थे कि जिस तरह की ट्रेनिंग आपके साथ की गई है हमारे IPL प्लेयर्स के साथ भी नहीं की जाती, उतना इंटेंस था. सो आई यूज्ड टू वेक अप इन द मॉर्निंग, आई यूज्ड टू गो टू नियर ahead of Powai, there's this place called Bhandup. I used to practice in the nets with some of his KKR players who he just recently recruited. तो 2 घंटे वहाँ नेट प्रैक्टिस होती थी, फिर मैं बांद्रा आती थी, वहाँ स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग होता था, कंडीशनिंग होता था, कार्डियो होता था. तो ये तकरीबन 1 घंटे तक चलता था. फिर मैं मीटिंग्स करती थी, अगर कोई शूट होता था तो मैं शूट के लिए जाती थी. फिर पैकअप के बाद मैं वापस बांद्रा के किसी ग्राउंड में 2 घंटे और प्रैक्टिस करती थी. तो yeah, it was at least 5-6 hours of physical training every day. I was following a very low carb diet, and I was shooting simultaneously for other things, and my other directors and producers would get very upset because I'd keep losing weight and I'd keep, I guess, looking a little tired. Like I remember I went for one schedule of Bawal, and Nitesh sir looked at me and he was like, "ये मेरी निशा नहीं है, कहाँ चली गई, तुम तो आधी हो गई हो." And I was shooting, I shot 2-3 days of Devra as well, and even there they were like, you're not glowing like you were in the look test, you're looking a little tired, and that was just during the course of this film, and I think it went on for a while, but I'm feeling like myself a little bit. And of course injuries काफ़ी थे, तो काफ़ी लंबा process रहा है इस film के shoot का.
I wish you all the very best for Mr. and Mrs. Mai.
Thank you.